This superfood is your shortcut to become the next He-Man.
Healthy and tasty bhi.
Yes, these protein-packed chickpeas will have your muscles bulging like they are auditioning for a superhero movie and give you the power to run faster than a horse. Let's jazz up those chickpeas by tossing in a medley of spices. And don't you dare skip Orica's peri peri masala. It's the secret ingredient that will make those chickpeas sing. Once they are all spiced up and ready to party, then you just have to include cucumber, carrot and onion. As they mingle together, our roasted chickpeas will join them outside. Then add our homemade cream cheese and sprinkle some magic on it. And finally, it's ready to go into your tummy.